Hey guys, how y'all doing? How y'all doing? Back at it again. I'm working on an Audi A6 2.0 turbo. I'm changing out some control arms on it. So I'm gonna show you where I'm at. I started doing it and realized, let me just show some people out there that may not know how to do it. So here's the ones that I changed out on the other side. So this was a very bad one. And if you could see, it, it has a rip on it. And I'm gonna show you the ones that I'm doing now. So here's the inner liner that I took out on the floor. And I started taking everything else out. Here's the bolt. So number 16, taking this bolt out. And once I take this bolt out, I'm gonna reach back and start taking these out. I put you can't even use a socket on there, so you have to use this baby right here. And get it in there and start turning. So, I just started turning it to get it out. So, working on that, getting it out. And once I get it out, I'm gonna just replace these with the new ones. So these is also bad. So let me go at it and put the camera up and you could just watch while I work. What I also did, you may not have one of those, but I put this here because I didn't want this thing to be flying out on me. Might not, but I just use this right here just to hold it, stabilize it. So I have that in place. If you're doing it on the ground, you could just put a jack and just jack it up to hold it in place so it doesn't fly out on you. If you're doing the lift, hopefully you have something like this to hold it up in the air. So take this one out. This is the bolt. Put it down out of the way. Grab my number 16 and start ratcheting this thing out. Got it a little loose. Rest of it, I gotta turn by hand. Now, it's gonna knock this out. See if I could have used the hammer and knock it out. Normally you have one of those fork tools, just go right in here and just pull on it and knock it out. I don't have that fork tool. I have this. But I'm gonna get that fork tool. Let's try to hammer it down. Maybe I need to go get the big boy. I'm gonna get the big boy. All right, so I had to hit it a couple times to get it out, and I use a little bit of this penetrating fluid to help me get it out. It's a little stuck. So now, should be coming out now. I never found the big boy. That just came right out. So that side is out. And you can see how bad it is. Look at this. And the bushing is bad. So I'm gonna change that out. Get the next one, set it up. I don't want to take both of them out at the same time, so I'm going to get the next one, put it in, and then take this one out. check out the comparison. Look at this one, you could just move it. This is the new one. Can't even budge this thing. So this is the one that's going in now. Okay, so I'm about to put this one in, let's line it up. Get that bolt, let's put it in there. All right, let me show you a little trick. This thing is so hard to move. I'm gonna take this wrench right here and stick it into this other part of this wrench. Something like this. And just give me a little leverage so I can just get a little more length on it to be able to move it. From here, here. It's gonna be, it's kind of tight in here, so just to move this a little. Okay. All right, so I took the other one out and I started putting the bolt back in there and lining it up. This side is already in. Just got to get the bolt back on. So now I'm just gonna move this stuff out of my way. Let's see if I can move it. Shake this off. Go out of the way, line it up to get it to go and hit. See if I can do it this one hand. Nope. Need 2 fingers to do that. Quick little tap. Okay. Get this bolt to go in. Alright. Now, just have to find nut and put back on there and tighten these down. So tighten these down. Open this up to get some pressure on the wheel, where that way I don't mess with the bushing later on. Let's get it up. Wheel height. I think that's good right there. Now I'm going to tighten it down. If I can find my number 16, here you go. side now. Lay it back on. The cover. So all I gotta do now is put everything back together, and that's it. That's a wrap. So that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.